where things get interesting. From a distance, they both look pretty good. But up close, this is where the $300 helmet really starts to shine through and justify a price. This helmet has been painted and weathered to look like it's been through some of the most significant battles in the Clone Wars. You can see the weathering here. You've got scratches on the paint by design. Everything about this helmet screams high quality reproduction. This looks like it just came off a battlefield of the Clone Wars. Now let's take a look at the DIY kit a little bit closer. Right here, you can see the join line between the two sections. The paint on this is not as thorough or clean as the job that you get on the $300 one from Etsy. And another issue that I have with this particular helmet is it's supposed to be an adult-sized helmet, but it does not fit my head very well. Two problems. Number one, the visor is too close to my nose. I know that's a personal problem. I have a big nose. I get it. But I cannot wear my glasses with this helmet, and it is uncomfortable wear. It does have padding on the inside, which is a plus. The $300 helmet does not come with padding on the inside. But I think this helmet would better serve me if it took the padding off. Because when I place this one on my head, it's uncomfortable to wear. Visibility is not great. There's a lot of things with this one that I don't necessarily think are worth the price that I paid for it. Another big difference between the two helmets is the fact that this one, the $300 helmet, is much more durable than the $50 DIY kit helmet. This is one solid piece of 3D printed material. It is thick. If you've ever worn a football helmet, this is very similar to wearing a football helmet as far as the durability and ruggedness of this particular helmet. This helmet, on the other hand, the DIY one, it's thick, but at the same time, it's really flimsy and really thin. I would feel comfortable taking this one, taking this one and dropping it on the floor and that it was going to survive. Whereas this one, I feel like if I dropped it on the floor, it'd shatter into pieces. So which one should you get if you're trying to decide? Well, for DIY hobbyists, this is budget friendly and you can get really creative with it. On the other hand, the $300 collectible helmet is great for cosplay and super convenient because you don't have to sink the time and effort into preparing this helmet for use. This helmet is, surprisingly enough, this is the one I decided to go with. I'm really budget conscious about a lot of things, but since I was looking for something that is high quality, replica grade, and fits like a dream, this is the helmet that I would go for. I'm not opposed to hard work. I'm not opposed to sanding and painting and spending time on a project, but this helmet I do not feel lives up to the expectation and the standards set by the $300 helmet. As I was just messing with it a second ago, you can already see there's some separation there. Yeah, that's not great. But as a helmet that my kid can wear to the Mandalorian premiere, it's pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you be willing to do the work for the DIY, save a little cash, or would you be more likely to go for the $300 ready to wear out of the box? Please give this video a like. It does more help than you probably think. And hit subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.